How to use Grammarly Premium. Now, there are many advantages to using a Grammarly Premium service if you have a premium subscription. First of all, I would recommend you open your browser and go to account.grammarly.com and you log into your Grammarly account. From there, on the left hand side, you can simply go to the option called subscription. So here you can see the free account, which I'm currently on. But if you have premium, you can get the premium plan and you can also get the business plan. So there you can see everything in premium, style guide, snippets, broad tones, and every other things right here. You can use for Grammarly Premium right within their particular website, which is app.grammarly.com if you want to separate them manually. But if you use services like MS Word or other thing, you can also install the Grammarly extension. And what happens over there is that basically you will be guided whenever you open any of the app that Grammarly supports, such as Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word. These are the apps that Grammarly can work, but you have to make sure to basically install the application. So you want to go to the app section, you want to make sure to install Grammarly for Windows, Grammarly for Chrome, even for Android, and so on, so that you can make the full use of Grammarly Premium. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.